This is Sue Hass. We're coming down to the wire for getting this house sold and getting estimates in, getting repairs done, getting sealant done, and getting the logs cleaned. And I'm about to ready to pull my hair out. So I am looking at different products and using different products. So this is kind of a starting point. And I'm going to keep a log on how this all works. And so here you go. Here is the weather side of the house. There's a lot of black on the top of the logs. Can everybody see that? You can see how black that is. I started washing with my own cleaner. This one right here, which looks pretty good. And then the 30-second cleaner is what I used on this morning. And I'm not real happy with it. It hasn't cleaned it. The 30-second cleaner is bleach. So I am ordering some different stuff for the logs. This is a project in order to get it sold, and I'll let you know how it works. Have a great Tuesday.